Hey everyone, I made it into a new Walmart and look right here. These are only $3.48. They're the ombre bunnies. We have the orange. Ooh, these are really cute. I'm loving that. $2.98, and they do have glitter on it. They come in a little stand. They do say Happy Easter. Now check out these lights. They're $5.90 each. Oh, if you want the rope, I don't know, maybe for a wreath. These are $5. Kind of hard to believe that these are $5. You know, they used to be like $1. The egg wreath is still around for $15.98. Oh, this one's kind of cute for $5. Happy Easter. That is actually is cute. That could go in a doorway, like for a classroom. And then we have some cookie cutters. Bunny, an egg. Well, they have like these peep metal ones for $2.58. You get 2 in here. Here's a little mini one for $3.58. Now, if you're looking for maybe metal cookie cutters, you might want to hit up, you know, the discount store. $6.48. Wow. That's cute. You know what? That's cute. Maybe like lemon cake balls or like a bunch, little mini cake.
You need to make cake balls again.
And then $3.34. These are silicone. Oh, this one's cute too. I like that bunny one. These are so pretty, right? I think so.
Yeah, they look like flowers.
And sprinkles. I like this egg one. The confetti. That's like birthday confetti. Could just buy birthday confetti. And they have like this recipe box for $5.24. You get 12 blank cards on the inside. That's kind of cool. And there's little butterflies on that. And these bags are only 38 cents. So like, I think we only have Happy Easter in that bunny one. Oh yeah.
I like the sugar crystal sprinkles the best.
You do?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of those.
That way I don't have to like bite through something. Just eat a cookie.
$2.08. You get 20 bags. Okay. And then they do have like the cookie baking boxes. Look at that. With Happy Easter on them. Oh. That one's really colorful. They all have like a little bunny. This one's cute too. They're treat buckets. So you get 8 for $2.98. The treat stand with the cones. And these are $1.98. And you only get 6 though. $20 for the egg. Here's the bunny. The bunny is $20. Wow, this one is $100. It does light up, of course. Easter egg hunt. And $15. Oh, that's the new one. That's kind of cute. New items are always coming in. Okay, this one is a gift card holder. Slime glitter kit. So it looks like glitter in there, slime, and mix it up. Those are so different. Those are $3.24. And I know we've seen these before, you know, where you put the gift card in for $3.24. The wireless speakers around. We got bunnies and a mug. Happy Easter. Excited. Those are $9. And we had the cow and pig, which I think they're adorable. Look at the pig. Comes with a cute little flower. And the cow comes with a chick. Those are $6. Are these bags? What are these? They're like a backpack. Okay, Easter plush. Let me turn it around. 2 in 1. Okay, you get the backpack and there is a blanket on the inside. But is the blanket detachable or does it come like with the whole thing? Anyway, that's kind of cool. We have a cow, a frog man with a bow tie. I think the blanket is attached. See?
Yeah, it's sewn into it.
That's kind of silly. And we have the chick, man, the chick. But this is like really cute. I kind of just want the backpack of the frog.
Let's see.
$10.98 here. Happy Easter. Look at that frog with his little tongue out. That's like adorable.
Oh look, I think this turns into like
a pillow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
okay. Like a little baby. Okay. The chocolate bunny. He's adorable. Here's a little lamb man. This one you could draw on it. They have all types of tabletop decor. More buckets, and check this out. These are $13. You get the Easter plush and a blanket again. Those are cute. We have the rainbow. Maybe a bunny or a dog. I'm not too sure. And down here, this is like a pillow. Is there a blanket on here too? So many cool stuff. Yeah, it comes with a blanket. Look at that little dinosaur. Rainbow again, truck and unicorn. And let me go down here. They do have slippers. These are $12.98. Those are brand new. Have like a crocodile one, a unicorn, more bunny. Here's a gaming one for $10.98. It does light up. So somewhere, there we go. It lights up there. And I want to say they have, is this a moon or a chick? Oh, it's the moon. Yeah, it's a moon with feet. Lights up. I don't want to pull it out because I'll drop it.
The flower lights up too.
Oh, this one's cool. That's cute. These are, yeah, 11. Okay, I found the LED diamond eggs. That's what it looks like. They will light up, and you only get 6 in here for $3.50. These light up as well. These are only 98 cents. Okay. You get 2.
Nighttime egg hunts, huh? That's a good idea.
I know, right?
That'd be
Have
fun.
like a little Easter rave party. I think it's cool. I like these light up things. They should be like little chicks though, I think. Poppin' cows. Oh, guess those could go in an Easter basket. Those bunny ears are gonna light up. These are the confetti ones. They do light up. Here's a unicorn. The dino man or dinosaur. They're still all cool. They're all gonna light up. They have the pink ones and a large one. Those are $2. $2. Oh gosh. We have neon decorating kits. Look at all this fun stuff. Candy shine. What is that? Active volcano. Oh wow.
Oh, that's weird.
Here's a little scientist one. Okay, that's cool. I think so. Oh no, I have, maybe I'll do it. Me and you will have our own Easter party. And everything here is eggs, guys. I know we've seen these before. Look at the cute little hippo. Bunny. The chicks. I thought those were really cute. Okay, so they have the egg one. More bunny, a dinosaur. Oh, look at the farm friends. Okay, that's cute. I do like these ice cream cone ones. Oh my gosh, let me show you what I found. Check this out. Isn't that cute?
Oh, those are neat.
They're cute.
I like these ice cream cones.
Yeah, I know, right? And they also have like rainbow. What? They didn't have all those fun eggs when I was a kid.
Oh,
We had plain eggs. Yeah. Is that like a piranha shark?
A shark, yeah.
And they do have like a gamer one if you have like kids who are very into gaming. Let me pull it out for you. And you know what, this gaming one, these are $2.44. You could also use them for a birthday party.
Oh yeah.
Your little birthday party gifts. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
All these. I mean, little kids, they like Baby Shark. Oh, there you go. You got people like us, we like Jaws. Oh, there you go.
And these are 98 cents. We have the bunny chocolate. More of these eggs and the fuzzy ones, which I think are really cool. Okay, and here is some more chicks. These are $5.48 with the chicks, man. More pillows. Oh, they had the larger chicks down there for $12.88. These are like paper mache type of eggs. These are $1.98. So really different from the fuzzy eggs. These are cute too. These are $4.98. And these are $5.98 bibs for babies. They got the peeps for them. So cute. And let me go on this end cap here. Look at it, he's adorable. They have a pig one. I like the pig one. He's cute. And they do have a duck one, but it is white, so you know if you have a kid and they slobber.
It's a Peking duck.
Hey, you know what? This will be good for your dog too, you guys, for your fur babies. They're gonna be 10. And check this out. So a lot of people say they look like bowling pins. They do have the large ones, and they are $25. Snoopy, Harry Potter. Looks like Hello Kitty is sold out maybe. Look at his
His little golden snitch.
yeah. And then Peppa Pig.
Is that what that is? Or is that a present?
I don't know. I mean,
no, it's not a snitch. It is a present. Yeah. Or an egg. A gilded egg.
did you guys hear that they're gonna possibly make another Harry Potter?
Yeah, I think it's called The Cursed Child.
The Cursed Child. Oh my
It's
gosh.
gonna have everybody back in it. So
These are musical hand puppets. Put your hand in there. They have a horse one and a cow.
if I can get my hand in there, there's like a big cardboard piece.
Why did it move though? Huh. Are they all the same then? Yeah. That's kind of funny.
They just make their own animal noises.
Oh, he's cute. Look at this one, babe.
Oh, yeah.
That's $10.98. Look at this dino man.
I know, I want to buy some cows.
They're
I
expensive
always
to take
wanted
care of.
I always wanted a pet cow when I was a kid. We had every damn animal under the sun, but we didn't have cows.
Cows, yeah. These are 17. Silly. And look, I found a frog. What do you think he's gonna do? He reminds me of the big Thumbelina.
Reminds me of something from like America Sings.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. It falls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle. For sure. It makes it more interesting.
But let's finish playing it.
It's so lame.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. It falls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle. For sure. It makes it more dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact. No slack, but luckily the seats go back. I got a knack to relax in my mind.
Oh my gosh, this is like something you hear on TikTok. That is so crazy.
It is so lame.
Okay, look at this wild thing.
That looks like a Muppet.
I hope it plays Wild Thing.
The chicken
Oh my gosh.
It reminds me of The Hangover 3 when he's like, "What do you feed your chicken? Chicken and cocaine."
Did Brittany sign off? He's eating chocolate. He loves the chocolate. Chocolate cow.
I just want to see one that does milkshake.
There was a cow one.
I remember from the guy shaking it. Or the guy doing, where they're playing Shake That Thing and the guy's shaking the cow.
Yeah. But there is that animatronic. I think it came around during Christmas maybe. Okay, here's some little plushies more. Yellow bunny. And then on top they all have like cute stuff on them. Everything here's a plushie. I'm surprised they didn't bring out like thumper type. You know?
That's close.
Yeah.
There's a gray one.
A lot of
Oh,
farm
this one.
animals. Let me see this guy on top. Whoa.
Oh.
He needs to be combed. Oh, these are adorable. Just found these. Look at the mushroom bunny. What? Get out of here. Strawberry bunny. And they have a carrot. These are $3.50.
He has no feathers here because it's a handle.
You're going to get me in trouble with people in the comment section. I feel like I have to edit him out. Because people, you know, some people get mad. There's nothing to get mad about. Just Relax. Okay, these are $7.48. I like this monster guy. I'm always attracted to like the monster type of stuff. I don't know why, because they're just really fun and cute looking to me. Okay, look at this one. Very blingy. Those are cool. More bunnies. Okay, but I feel like I have to get that mushroom one for my daughter, even though I'm trying to stay away from plushies, you guys, because I packed up her closet and the amount of stuff I didn't know she had still was like unbelievable. Okay, and I found more Peeps, guys. These are $4.98 here for these zipper ones. I did share this one. Let me pull it out.
Yeah, push it like this from the bottom.
I'm not left-handed. Oh, there we go. All of them are going fast. What is this one? I just kind of found that. Easter shark grabber. Okay, these are fun. The spinning light ones. This is Grow a Peep and the slime here, you guys. And these do smell. They are scented.
Look at this. Bunny dough case.
Oh yeah, and you know what? You can find these in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So this location didn't have as much Peeps. I remember last year they had a light up spinning Peep. That was really, really cool.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to eat some Peeps now.
I'm not a fan of Peeps. I'm sorry. Not to eat. Oh, look at that cute bluey one. What? That's a new one. Alright, you guys. This might do it for this location of Walmart in their Easter. We have Happy Easter, Extra, more like zippers. Those are $7 pretty much. $7. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Look at, and these glitter ones, they're cute.